Today I'm going to be installing an S&S Cycle Stealth Air Cleaner Kit. I got mine in a mini teardrop gloss black, and I'm going to be putting it on my Harley. I've got an 87 XLH, but it's totally custom, and I'm actually running a 95 Buell. It's the S2 Thunderbolt. It's a 1200cc power plant on it. So we are going to get these changed out, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Your first step is to unhook the battery, which I've already done, and then take the old air cleaner kit off. Remove your air cleaner cover and this back plate assembly. Next, remove your throttle body support bracket. Get your backing plate and the 3 1/4x20 screws and install them into the backing plate in this side here. Take the gasket that comes in the kit and just put it over those screws. Next, take your 2 1/2x13 breather bolts and your rubber coated washers, and you're going to put 1 rubber coated washer on each of the breather bolts, and those are going to get passed through, so I can keep this gasket on here. These are going to get put in here, and then each one's going to get a washer put on the outside of it, so you'll have a washer on either side of this bracket. Next, we're going to take the tube of 243 blue Loctite, and we're going to put a drop on each of these 2 breather bolts and all 3 of these backing screws here. Once you have your blue Loctite on, carefully start threading these in. You want to just tighten everything down evenly for now to make sure that everything is snug. Once you get everything snug, you're going to want to check the gap between your cylinder head and the back of this backing plate to see if there's any air gaps in it. If you have an air gap that you can put another one of these rubber washers in, rubber coated washers, go ahead and back these out and put an extra one in there to close up that air gap. But if not, torque it down to 10 to 12 pounds. Now that we've got everything snug, we're going to want to torque these 3 backing plate screws down to 72 inch-pounds. Now it's time to put the air filter on. Just take it. I like to put that little metal fin down. Just sit it right on there. It's going to seat right up here. Just kind of line up the holes in here. And again, you're going to want to put the blue Loctite on those 2 bolts. couple of drops. Snug up the bolts.